Backlinker.AI is one of the latest AI tools that's already making waves in the digital marketing world. In this Backlinker.AI review, we're going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful software. Whether you're a digital marketer or a business owner looking to step up your SEO game, stay tuned because what we're going to uncover might just change the way you approach your SEO strategy. First off, Backlinker.AI is built to simplify the process of backlink acquisition, an essential element for improving your website's search engine rankings. It automates the process of finding high-quality backlinks, saving you hours of tedious research and outreach. If you've been struggling to manually search for relevant sites, this tool can give you a major boost, leveraging AI to find the best opportunities in no time. What really sets Backlinker.AI apart from other tools is its ability to analyze competitors' backlink profiles. You can easily track where your competitors are getting their links from, which is incredibly valuable if you want to steal their strategies and stay ahead of the curve. By reverse engineering competitor backlinks, you get a clear advantage in your own SEO efforts. And speaking of competitors, Backlinker.AI offers detailed insights into backlink quality, not just quantity. It evaluates backlinks based on authority, relevance, and trustworthiness, which helps you prioritize the best opportunities and avoid wasting time on low-quality sites that won't improve your rankings. It's an easy way to ensure you're not just building backlinks for the sake of it. Another key feature to note is the AI-driven content suggestions. Not only does it identify backlink opportunities, but it also helps optimize your content for those specific sites. With Backlinker.AI, you don't just get a list of websites to target, you get tailored advice on how to approach each site, making your outreach efforts more effective and personalized. In terms of user interface, Backlinker.AI is intuitive and user-friendly. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned SEO expert or a beginner, you'll be able to navigate the platform easily and get results quickly. The tool also integrates seamlessly with other SEO tools, so if you're already using platforms like Ahrefs or SEMrush, you won't have to worry about learning a whole new system. What's even better is that you can try Backlinker.AI for free through the link in the description below. It's an excellent opportunity to see firsthand how much easier your backlink strategy can be with AI on your side. Now, if you're wondering if this is the best tool for you, the answer is it depends on your needs. If you're looking to save time, reduce manual outreach, and build high-quality backlinks more efficiently, Backlinker.AI is an outstanding choice. But keep in mind that, like any tool, it's not a magic solution. You'll still need to have a solid SEO strategy in place, but this software will certainly make your efforts more effective. Lastly, I've spent a lot of time testing AI software for digital marketing, and I've compiled a list of my top recommendations in the description below. These tools have helped me optimize my campaigns and improve my online presence, so feel free to check them out and see which one works best for your needs. In summary, Backlinker.AI is a game changer for anyone serious about SEO. From automating backlink research to providing valuable competitor insights, this software can dramatically improve your backlink strategy. If you haven't tried it yet, make sure to check out the free trial linked below to experience it for yourself.